Okay, I closed the door, turned off the light in the bedroom, closed the door, keep the animals out.
Alright.
And you're going to just hang out for a bit. I'm going to head down. I got to go help the neighbor move some wood and then go down to the basketball game.
Alright.
If you have any questions, just